The snowy day. Mia wakes up early one morning. She looks outside and sees snow everywhere. Mia feels excited. She loves snowy days. Mia quickly puts on warm clothes. She wears her favorite red hat, gloves, and boots. She goes outside. The snow feels soft and fresh under her feet. Mia smiles happily. She starts making a snowman near her house. The snowman quickly takes shape. Her friend Sam sees her from his window. "Mia, wait for me," he shouts. Sam runs outside to join Mia. He wears a big blue coat and green scarf. They build the snowman together. They laugh and talk as they find sticks for arms, small stones for eyes, and a carrot for the nose. When they finish, they step back and admire their work. "He looks great," Mia says, with a big smile. "Yes, he does." Sam agrees proudly. "Let's name him Frosty." Mia laughs and nods. Perfect name. Then Mia picks up some snow and shapes it into a snowball. She throws it gently at Sam. Sam laughs and quickly makes his own snowball. Soon they are having a fun snowball fight. They feel joyful, laughing loudly as they run and hide behind trees and the snowman. After playing, they feel cold and hungry. Mia rubs her hands together. "Come to my house," she says. "We can have hot chocolate." At Mia's house, her mother makes hot chocolate for them. She adds marshmallows on top. Mia and Sam sit by the window, wrapped in warm blankets. They drink their hot chocolate and talk about school, their friends, and their favorite games. "Today is perfect," Sam says happily. "Yes, snowy days are my favorite." Mia agrees warmly. After warming up, they decide to go outside again. This time, they bring a small sled. Mia and Sam climb a small hill near their house. They slide down the hill, laughing and feeling the cold air on their faces. They feel happy and free, racing to the bottom and climbing up again. In the afternoon, Mia and Sam lay down in the snow. They make snow angels by moving their arms and legs. They look at the sky, watching clouds float by. "I wish every day was snowy," Sam says softly. "Me too," Mia replies with a smile. It's so peaceful and beautiful. Later, they decide to walk around their neighborhood. They see other children playing, dogs running happily, and parents smiling. Everyone seems joyful. As the day ends, Sam has to go home. "Thank you for today," he says warmly. "Thank you, Sam," Mia says. "It was wonderful." At home, Mia eats dinner with her family. She tells them all about her day. "It sounds like you had fun," her father says kindly. "Yes, it was the best day ever," Mia says happily. That night, Mia lies in bed thinking about the snowy day. She feels happy and peaceful. Friendship, she knows, makes every snowy day special. She falls asleep, hoping for more snowy days to come.